Hello, so today we're going to do turning on dictation. If your iPad supports it, we can validate that information as well. But if your iPad does not, you will not have these features or functionality that would appear on your iPad. So let's get started. So if we swipe down, as you can see, we have settings there already. Open that. You want to go into Siri and search 7 down under from General. And this is a way to validate if your iPad does support dictation. At the very bottom where it says second to the bottom, it says my information and shows my name, Fernandez. Right below that it says Siri detection history. Right below that it says voice input is processed on this iPad. So you're set to go. Now, if it did not state that, it will state the information that you will require to download that the iPad requires to download a Siri speech software, and once that's downloaded, then you'll be set to go. Then what you'll need to do is under General, and before we make any changes, you go to Keyboard, scroll down, you see at the second row to the bottom, it says Enable Dictation, and you see it's off. Excuse me. If you go to your Apple Notes, you do not see any microphone icon anywhere, even under the little globe. That's all for your keyboard settings. So for an example, if you go back to your settings, enable dictation, that enables it for the iPad apps, and some third-party iPad apps for your students in education. So now if we go back to Apple Notes, you still don't see the app. So what you're required to do is force close your apps, open that specific app, touch the keyboard, and now you see a microphone on the left side of your spacebar. There you go. The text does appear automatically from speaking, and I'm just using standardly the iPad itself, no microphone, no earphones, or so forth. Now, what we noticed in school institutions and sped ed classes that students will require a headphone set that has a microphone built in, not an attachment microphone, built-in microphone, to do the text-to-speech. Well, hopefully this video helps you out. Feel free to put your comments down below for future videos. Thank you.